because one of the questions that I woke up to this morning on social media was, hey, I'm bloated and I have this incredible bloat in my stomach and this discomfort in my gut. And obviously it's because you probably ate too much, maybe you ate too little, ate at the wrong time, mixed it with the wrong alcohols, you were sleep deprived. But let's talk about a simple tea, a herbal infusion that you can make at home. But before we get into that, one thing very, very clear. A remedy is to give you relief. You still got to do the work of addressing the root cause of your problem, of your bloat, and making those changes. Most people are bloated for the common reasons. Let's go over it. You eat too fast. You eat at the wrong time. You eat foods that don't suit you. You mix too much of liquids and food at the same time. You eat and you watch television, or you're looking at social media or your phone. You're not concentrating on the food that you eat. You eat when you're angry. All of these can create bloating as well. You eat the wrong foods, obviously. Then two, you're sleep deprived. That can lead to bloating, like literally immediately. You have a hormonal imbalance. You have indigestion problems. You have gut issues. Your gut bacteria is all over the place. And of course, the most severe ones, when you have bloating constantly, you need to get it checked by a doctor, because that could be an underlying cause for something else, and you don't want to miss out on that. So what's a simple tea that you can have that will immediately give you relief from the bloating that you have, besides putting in the work to address the root cause of the problem? If you have mint leaves, that's great. Fresh mint. You want to have 2 to 3 fresh leaves of mint. Keep that aside. Then you want to have 1 tablespoon. It could even be 1 teaspoon, depending on how much you're making. This is for 500 ml, okay? Half a liter. So you want 1 tablespoon of soft, which is fennel seeds. You want a pinch of ajwain, which is bishop's weed in English. You want 1 teaspoon to half teaspoon, depending on the taste that you like, of cumin, also known as jeera in Hindi. You want a 1/2 inch piece of ginger, which you want to mash. And if you don't have fresh ginger, or you don't like fresh ginger, you can use dry ginger powder, just a pinch of dry ginger powder. So you're going to boil the water with all of these ingredients except the mint. You're going to boil it for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now, if any of these ingredients don't suit you, common sense, vitamin C, just don't have it. This is not a replacement for your medicine, nor will it take away your bloating permanently. You still got to address the root cause of the problem. Now, you can have 1 cup, you can have 2 cups, you can have 3 cups. It's a really soothing drink. In fact, I have it almost every day, minus the mint. I'm not really a fan of mint. I have it every day, irrespective. I, touch wood, have great gut health. But I have it because it's a soothing drink. You feel so good in your gut, whether you have bloating or whether you don't have bloating. And you can usually have this about 30 to 45 minutes after a meal. It is best sipped warm. Now, if you want to make it into an iced tea, you can also do that. You follow the same process and then just strain it and put it into the fridge. Now I'm going to add something. If you also have a cough or a cold or lung problems, pneumonia, bronchitis, dark patches in your lungs, you've been struggling with pollution, you want to add 3 to 4 peppercorns to this concoction and boil it really well. 5 minutes simmer, and then sip it. Try to make it fresh every day, because guess what? It's easy to make it fresh. You want to get little glass containers that are airtight, buy these spices, organic or chemical free, and start making your own pharmacy at home. Because all of these things are great, even for your children. Even for your children. I'm not saying infants. I'm not saying 0 to 1 years old. Use common sense over there. And the point is, if it suits you, great. If it doesn't suit you, just don't do it. This works for most people. Sometimes it may not work for you because everyone is different. But I hope this works for you, because it's worked for thousands of our patients around the world. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your year. Please do not wait for the 1st of January to start with your health goals. Your body doesn't wait for you. You start today. How many of you have already done your workout? How many of you did a couple of asanas this morning? How many of you walked? How many of you did a little bit of meditation? How many of you prayed this morning? How many of you got your nutrition back on track after Christmas Day? You see, the human body doesn't wait. We don't need to wait till the 1st of Jan. You don't want to be part of the herd. When you're part of the herd, you get the same results as the herd. You want to be different, like you are supposed to be. Have a great day, everyone.